So in this episode of Mental Mods, we've got this old 1960s Datsun 1000 Ute. Hi again everyone, I have some bad wind noise on some of this audio, so I'm going to try and have a go at some voiceover until I can get a wireless microphone. So like I said, this is a Datsun 1000 Ute, and if you haven't noticed by now, many old Datsuns are becoming quite popular and even valuable again. Gone are the days that these old bombs will be used to bash the paddocks. In the video I'm explaining the Ute is quite small, it's only 2 arm lengths as you can see. I found these photos of the Ute before I managed to pick it up. As you can see, it is quite beat up. I've decided to start working straight on the floors, which are the most rust prone area of the Ute, to see how much trouble I'm getting myself into and if I can save this thing. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy the next few minutes of some fast forward footage of cutting through some rusty car. So I've just cut out the main parts to it so I can see what else I have to work with, and just keep cutting away. Also at the same time I'm planning how much I cut away to what I'm going to replace. Looks like the bottom layer floor had already been starting to rust, so instead of cut it out, what another person has done is just added a whole nother layer of metal, and they've just, you can see the pop rivets all around, and so they've added a layer of metal and put it on top. So this would have been the original one, and at the top here, that's the layer to put on. So just put another layer on top. So we're going to take all that out, and we're going to re-weld in a proper floor that I can make up. Well, there's your problem. So same similar scenario over here. It must be just something to do with this vehicle. It's prone to rust in these areas. So I'm just going to cut this whole section out and remake it up. Just making sure that the stuff from behind is still good. I'm going to get the... Oh, there's a lot. Okay, this is why it's rusted, because somehow a lot of dirt has got in there and it's just stays moist. That's from something. I think that is the speed sensor wire. Looks like it's meant to spin around. Next, I've decided to try and take this front fender off, and I've noticed something unusual at the bottom. I'm going to have a look. After grinding some bog off, I've noticed the fender has been welded to the bottom seal section,